Former Indian cricket team captain Sachin Tendulkar has come out in support of the central government on farmers' protest. At a time when international celebrities like Rihanna, Greta Thunberg and Mia Khalifa have tweeted in support of the ongoing farmers' protest. In a tweet, Sachin Tendulkar said India's sovereignty cannot be compromised and urged Indians to remain united. India's sovereignty cannot be compromised. External forces can be spectators but not participants. Indians know India and should decide for India. Let us remain united as a nation, Sachin Tendulkar tweeted. Indian team captain Virat Kohli wrote, "Let us all stay united in this hour of disagreements. Farmers are an integral part of our country, and I am sure an amicable solution will be found between all parties to bring about peace and move forward together." Expressing similar views, former Indian cricketer and current Team India coach Ravi Shastri termed farmers' protest as an internal matter which will be resolved via dialogue. Agriculture is a very important part of the machinery of the Indian economic system. Farmers are the backbone of any country's ecosystem. This is an internal matter which I am sure will be resolved through dialogue. Jai Hind, Ravi Shastri tweeted, adding hashtags like India stands together and India against propaganda. BJP Lok Sabha MP and former Team India cricketer Gautam Gambhir wrote, "Outside forces have been trying to divide us, rule over us for centuries. But India remains and will thrive, come what may. Use your billions. Try your best. This is the new India. India together. India against propaganda." These tweets from top Indian cricketers come in response to tweets from Rihanna, Greta and Mia Khalifa who have supported the farmers' protest. It started on Tuesday night with Rihanna sharing a CNN report on internet suspension in Haryana due to farmers' protest. Sharing the report, Rihanna posted a 50-character tweet asking why people aren't talking about this issue. Before rushing to comment on such matters, we would urge that the facts be ascertained and a proper understanding of the issues at hand be taken. The temptation of sensationalist social media hashtags and comments, especially when made by celebrities and others, is neither accurate nor responsible, the statement said. News Desk Kaumudy, English.